Welcome everybody to Ncw Saturday Nights. Making his way to the ring is Wadinator. To the ring, Diamondback. Yeah. This is a contenders match. One fall, however long it takes, and this match starts right now.
Hold up. Let me remind you who the champion is. I'm the champion. I'm Ken Olsen. I'm the champion. No.
Okay. Ring bell. Come back here, man. Get out the corner. Get out the corner.
Wait. I'm the champion. I'm
Come on.
They know I'm going to take your stuff from me.
Ow! Oh my God! The ring exploded again. Fell apart. Hey! You! Go! I can't see! Hey! Get up here! One! Got these ring posts keep messing up. 1, 2, 3. Alright, do you give? Hey! Do you give? Oh! Ouch! Oh! Whoa! Do you give? 1. Break your hook. 1, 2. Now, come on, you guys. Get in here, Russ. Come on. I'm watching y'all now. One. 1, 2. All right, you give. You give. 1, 2. All right. Hey, how about you? You give. You give. You give. 1, 2. All right. What about you, Alright. I'll connect. Alright, 1, 2.
Oh, yeah? Guess what?
Alright, 1. You give up, Wadinator! You give up, Wadinator! How about you give up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Get off the neck. Get off the neck. 1, 2.
Come on, Diamond.
Alright, 1. 1, 2.
Come on, Diamondback. You got it.
1, 2.
No!
Come on, Diamondback.
1, 2. Ah!
Beat him up, Diamondback. Get him.
Alright, 1, 2.
You! Ah!
Alright. 1, 2.
Kick him, Diamondback. Get him. Oh, good move.
Alright, 1, 2. Alright, do you give? Do you give? Do you give? Oh.
Yeah. Come on,
Alright,
Diamondback.
1,
Get it.
2,
Get him down.
3,
Diamondback.
4, 5.
Yeah.
Oh! Ow! My leg!
Alright, do you give up? Do you give up, Wadinator? You back. Break your hook. 1, 2. 1.
Come on, Diamondback. Get him down. Get him down. Yeah.
1, 2. Oh. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
The winner!
Yeah.
Done. Get up. Get him off. 1, 2. The winner of the match. Diamondback! Alright, get off of it. Get out of there. You need medical help, huh? Are you alright? We might need somebody in here. Come on. Hey. Hey, you. Watch yourself. Hey. Right. 1.
Get him, Diamondback.
Okay.
Get him up. Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Get him again.
Hey. I'm reversing the winner of this match by disqualification. Wadinator! You can't do that. I just did. How's that? No weapons allowed. It wasn't no disqualification match.
You got that in
Keep
it.
it real around here. It's Ncw.
What is everybody's problem? Get out here, Karen Isles! I want her out here now!
Niall! Niall's watching! Watching Niall!
Oh,
No, wait.
break.
I will destroy you! Good, he's out of our way. Come here.
Oh, it's not all
Next week, you take care of Hillbilly. If you take care of Hillbilly, and he's out of the picture, I want a title shot. When you-
Fine, I accept your challenge!
So, if you beat Hillbilly Hooligan, I get a title shot?
Yeah, I accept! No!
You better win next week, Hillbilly.
No.
Ow! Ow!
You heard it.
Ow!
All right, hey.
My rib!
1, 2.
Hey,
Hey,
now!
back up. We got an official match next
Oh!
week. If Hillbilly Hooligan, hey, break. Hey, Alright, hey, let's get some security out here. Hey, boys. It's chaotic in here. Hey, hey.
Alright, come on! Come on, back it up! Come on, Norris, give it!
You break it up.
For my client! Come on, Norris!
Alright, next week, Hillbilly Hooligan beats her, or she beats him. He gets a title shot. Hey, you watch yourself. Alright. You watch yourself. All of you. Break it.
Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next week on Ncw Saturday Nights.